How are we gonna do it? Is my thing recording up? Numbers going up? Numbers going up? Jack! Huh? Numbers going up? Yes. Go! Hit! What? I'm out. I was out. Right? Hey! Go! Oh, fuck, my bad. I'm so sorry about that. My bad.
Right behind you. Right behind you. One rescue team has been released. Rescue team has been released. Hey, this guy's over here.
Yep.
Hey, this guy's over here. Kill house.
Yep. See him? Keep him down. Keep him down.
All right, go down.
Hey, take us.
Yes, sir. Do I have to hold you or something?
No, you don't have to hold me. Just 10 feet from me.
Here, where do we bring you?
To the bus.
Go.
Go. Come on.
Go. Keep going.
Tell us where they are, Slavic, where are they?
Right here, right in front of you.
Oh, I'm not gonna go that way. I wanna go right here. I'm right here.
Your TV is where? Where? That was too close though. I'm gonna try to clear this. You look clear. Move up to this building. Casey's over there.
Alright, go. No, Casey's not there no more. Right here. Wait, we're next.
Go here. Go to that front. Go.
No, this guy.
When you're ready.
Oh, get on me. Run with me, alright? Ready? Where's your fed? I can't believe that guy started saying he fucking hit me. He wasn't even looking.
Hit you?
No, he was fucking like bullshitting.
Got Alex down there. Watch out. Hey, Kate. Look down there. We have Alex.
Yep, I see him. He's all the way back.
We have Alex down here, Larry.
Alright. He's got me out.
He's got the gray building, corner of the gray building, 2 past.
What the fuck? Take your battery out.
There he is.
I'm not good.
Place your kill out.
Gotcha.
Hey, there's a guy moving up in the mid.
We got kill hustle, so we got someone in there.
Follow me. We're going straight to that building right there.
Yes, gotcha.
All right, you guys.
On you.
Lay down some cover here real quick.
Yeah, cover.
3, 2, 1, cover.
Alright. Yeah. Around the bus.
All right, this way, Julie. Stay on me, Julie.
Gotcha. No, I'm staying with Larry. In front of you. Yeah.
All right, we got.
Just get me to the bus.
We're gonna go to the kill house.
All right. Where's
He's shooting from over here.
All right.
Alex is right over there. See him?
So die.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, go.
Go.
All right, this way.
Oh.
There is a guy down. Okay. All right, we need about 4 guys in front. Orange guys behind us. We're just gonna bum
We
rush.
have one right behind the bus.
And we need you guys just to go in the door. We're gonna guard you. We're just gonna be a wall. You guys just need to break in behind us and go to the bus. We just need one guy.
No, down there.
All right.
You can get that one. Yeah, there you go.
Huh?
I just want to make sure. Behind the bus engine bay.
Come on, dude.
All right, we got both of those guys.
Okay.
Hey.
Any guys left, Brett?
Right here.
Right behind the bus.
Right behind the bus.
Look in the wreck.
Yeah, you guys stay behind us.
Watch it, Brett. Watch it. So keep it from pushing. Keep it from pushing us.
This guy right here, left side.
Nice shot, Alex. Be right back.
Oh, gotcha. Sorry. Sorry.
We should probably start
Got
moving.
Alex. All right. Come on. Stay behind. All right, you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Into the bus.
All right.
Don't go any further.
I didn't get to use this yet.